Good morning students. Now today we will study the formation of image when the source of light is a point source. Okay, so today we have to study about the formation of images. Okay, so there are 2-3 types of formations we have to study. The first one is a formation of image when the source of light is a point source. Here we have a diagram. I have drawn a diagram for you all, so that I will able to explain you, and if you will see the video you will understand the formations. Okay, the diagram is given in your book also, but see here first. Okay, this is the point source. I have written here point source. S is a point source. Okay, PQ is an opaque body. Okay, PQ is an opaque body which will stop the emission of light and will act as a hurdle in the path of point source of light. Next we have XY as a screen. Okay, we have X and Y. This is a big screen. Okay, this is a big screen. S is a point source, PQ is an opaque body, XY is a screen. Okay, XY is a screen. So now what happens when the rays of light will start emitting from the point source? It will follow the rectilinear propagation of light. It will follow the rectilinear propagation of light. We have taken the two path. We have taken two path of the light. Why? Because rest of the light which emitted from the point source will stop because of the opaque body. What is an opaque body? Opaque body is a body which do not allow the light energy to pass through them. So rest of the light will stop because of the opaque body. The only one light which will passes through the head of the PQ will go on passing. Okay, and second one which will at the bottom of the PQ, the one path we have taken at the bottom of the PQ. Okay, so it will, so from here these two path we have taken. So one path is from S to P to A. Okay, SPA is one path of the point source. Second path is SQB. Okay, these two paths we have taken. Rest of the light will be stopped because of the opaque body PQ. Okay, so what we are seeing, XY is a screen. Okay, as it is the opaque body, it will not allow the light to pass through them. So the reason where the source light SP falls on screen XY is A. Here the light SP falls on A, and here the light SQ falls on B. So what happens because of this opaque body? This is the reason which will be a total darkness of the region, which will be a total darkened region, total dark. Okay, that is why it is named as umbra. That is why it is named as umbra, because umbra is a region where no light falls. It is a region of total darkness. So because of opaque body, what happens? The region PA, B and Q, PA, B and Q, PA, B and Q is umbra region, umbra. Okay, a region of total darkness. Okay, PA, B and Q, total darkness region. Okay, because no light will falls on this. Why? Because of the opaque body PQ. Okay, so this is the formation of point source of light. Okay, this is the formation of point source of light. Okay, so what is this? This is the shifted screen. X1, Y1 is a shifted screen. That means we have, what we have done, we have shifted the screen XY to a little bit more backward direction. We have shifted the screen XY to little bit more backward direction. And what we are seeing? We are seeing that as we are shifted the screen, the source of light from SP and falls on A will now fall here. Okay, the source of light which we travels from S to Q and falls on B on the screen XY will now fall here. So what we are observing, that as we are shifting the screen XY to X1, Y1 place, what happens? The region of umbra is becoming more larger. That means the screen is, if we shift the screen backward, what happens? The umbra region will increase. Okay, so this is the whole formation of the point source. Okay, understand? क्या किया हमने? एक पॉइंट सोर्स है, वी हैव अ पॉइंट सोर्स, हमने एक पॉइंट सोर्स लिया, इससे हमने लाइट की दो क्या है पाथ को कंसीडर किया, बाकी को क्यों नहीं किया? क्योंकि पी क्यू एक क्या है ओपेक बॉडी है, इसके बीच में जितने भी लाइट फॉल करेंगी वो क्या हो जाएंगी? रुक जाएंगी, वो आगे अलाउ नहीं करेगा उसको पास करने के लिए, बिकॉज इट इज़ एन ओपेक बॉडी. सो हमने ये दो को कंसीडर किया. यहाँ से क्या है, एस से लाइट निकलेगी, पी से होते हुए एक्स वाई स्क्रीन पे ए पे गिरेगी. यहाँ पे क्या है, एस से होते हुए क्यू से होते हुए एक्स वाई स्क्रीन पे बी पे गिरेगी. ठीक है, क्योंकि ये ओपेक बॉडी है तो ये पूरा रीजन पी ए बी क्यू क्या हो जाएगा? अम्ब्रा का रीजन हो जाएगा. अम्ब्रा मीन्स व्हाट? टोटल डार्क का रीजन, टोटल डार्कनेस. ठीक है, पूरा काला रहेगा. ठीक है, एक भी लाइट इसमें नहीं दिखाई पड़ेगी. ठीक है, उसके बाद फिर हमने क्या ऑब्जर्व किया कि अगर हम स्क्रीन को पीछे थोड़ा सा शिफ्ट करते हैं तो जैसे जैसे स्क्रीन को हम जितना शिफ्ट करेंगे अम्ब्रा का रीजन उतना ही ज़्यादा बढ़ रहा है. ठीक है, और पेनम्ब्रा कहीं नहीं है. ठीक है, दैट मीन्स द रीजन ऑफ पार्शियल डार्कनेस विच इज नोन एज पेनम्ब्रा इज नॉट फॉर्म्ड इन द पॉइंट सोर्स. ठीक है, इज नॉट फॉर्म्ड इन द पॉइंट सोर्स. पॉइंट सोर्स में पेनम्ब्रा का रीजन नहीं बनता. ओके, सो व्हाट ऑब्जर्वेशंस वी हैव गेट? We have get that as soon as we will shift the screen towards backward direction, the region of umbra will increase, and if we shift towards the opaque body, what happens? The region of umbra will decrease. Okay, इसको हम पास भी लाएंगे तो क्या है, umbra का region घटेगा, दूर ले जाएंगे तो umbra का region बढ़ेगा. But no penumbra will formed in this case. Okay, no penumbra will formed in this case. This is the formation of image when source of light is a point source. Okay, so I think now it is very clear to you all. The whole formation I have explained very clearly. Okay, now we will study the next formation. So this is the formation of image when the extended source of light is smaller than opaque body. Okay, extended source of light, that means SS1 is the extended source of light. Till now we have studied about the point source of light, only point source. Now this is little bit more than, bigger size than point source. It is known as extended source. It is SS1, okay, or this size SS1. So extended source of light is smaller than opaque body. So the formation of image when this extended source of light SS1 is smaller than opaque body PQ. PQ is the opaque body. That means what? The source of light is around this much, so opaque body is about this much. It is smaller. Source of light is smaller than opaque body. Okay, here it is clearly seen that extended source of light SS1 is smaller than opaque body PQ. Here I have written clearly each and everything, opaque body PQ. So what you have to do? You have to just see the diagram very attentively. Okay, what happened? Now we will see the formation of image, that means the path of the light traveling. Okay, so there will be not two light will originate from the point from the S. Two light will originate from S. One, see how it is going. One will follow this path S to P and will fall on B in the screen. Okay, S to P and fall on the B point in the screen XY. Another again from S will originate and will follow this path and will pass through Q and fall on the screen at D. Will fall on the screen at D. We are clearly seen that from S two light is producing. First one is from S to P and fall on the B. S to P and fall on the B in the screen. Another from S to Q and fall on the screen at D. Now from S1, okay, from S1 again two paths will emit. What happened? From S1 to P and fall on the screen at A. From S1 to P and fall on the screen at A. Another from S1 to Q and fall on the screen at C. From S1 to Q and fall on the screen at C. So this is the this is the traveling of the path of the light I have explained. Now see here what happens. Because of this opaque body, the region P, B, C and Q is the umbra region. P, B, C, Q, P, B, CQ will be the umbra region. Umbra means total darkness of the total darkened region. Okay, P, B, C and Q. Here no light will fall. Why? Because PQ is the opaque body and we know that opaque body do not allow the light to pass through them. Okay. Now what happens? Here penumbra will form. Here in this case penumbra means what? A region of partial darkness will form. See here the region PAB. PAB is the penumbra region. Okay. PAB is the penumbra region. Here a partial light will be seen. Okay. And one more penumbra will form, QDC. Okay. Here this is also the penumbra region, QDC. Okay. This is also the penumbra region. So two penumbra region will be seen and one umbra region is seen. Okay. So but what we are seeing? We are seeing that the region of umbra is much larger as compared to the size of the penumbra formed. Okay, as compared to the size of the penumbra formed. Okay, umbra is more larger than penumbra, but penumbra will also form in this case. Okay, now what happened? If we will shift the screen from XY to X1 Y1 position. Okay, if we shift the screen from XY to the X1 Y1 position, what we are observing? We are observing that the size of penumbra is increasing. See here only this much of the size. Now this is more larger. Okay, this is more larger as compared to this one. Okay, this is more larger as compared to this one. So size of penumbra is increases and also the size of umbra is increases as compared to, because now screen if we will shift to this point, what happens? The total region will be of umbra. Okay, here to here to here to here. So umbra is also increasing. If we shift the screen to backward direction, little bit more backward, if we shift the screen, that means at X1 Y1 position, what we are observing, that size of penumbra is also increasing and size of umbra is also increasing. Okay, but here what happens? We are seeing that umbra is larger than penumbra. Okay, umbra is larger than penumbra. Penumbra, two region will form. Two region of penumbra will form, whereas here only one region will form. Okay, but that region is much larger as compared to penumbra. If we are shifting the screen towards the opaque body, if we are shifting the screen XY towards the opaque body, what we are observing? We are observing that both penumbra regions and umbra region is decreasing. Both penumbra region and umbra region will decrease. If we will shift the screen from here to the PQ, that means towards the opaque body, what we are observing, that here the size of penumbra will decrease and size of umbra will also decrease. Okay, so what happens? The size of penumbra and umbra will decrease if we will take it towards the opaque body. So this is the formation of the image when the extended source of light is smaller than the opaque body. Okay, both the formation I have clearly explained you with the formation of the light and other sources. Okay, now it is your work to read it and see the diagram which is more clearly given in the book along with the color and all. Okay, so it will more clearly, you will understand more easily now. Okay, so you will read it from the book. Okay, any problem you can ask me. Okay, thank you.